Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M12, the latest smartphone from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in blue, black and white color models. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in two models. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage capacity, and the other comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage capacity. Memory can be expanded up to 1TB. The phone is dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It has a 6.5-inch HD plus TFT LCD screen with Infinity V-Cut display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. It has 48 megapixel f2.0 main camera, 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera, 2 megapixel 2.4 macro camera. Front camera is equipped with 8 megapixel f2.2. Samsung Galaxy M12 is powered by Android 11 v11.0 operating system with Exynos 850 Nacho octa-core 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. The phone is equipped with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.